How to post 60-second story on Instagram. Quick tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to post a 60-second story on Instagram. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Instagram app and this is where you will get. So in order to create a story, you have to swipe to open up your camera and you will get here. So on Instagram, we know that we can post a story for 15 seconds maximum. How to create a story for 60 seconds? I have a trick for you guys. For that, you actually have to switch to the reel option right here at the bottom and it will take you to the reel. Here you can see we have the length option and you're going to select 60. Now I can create a reel for 60 seconds and we don't have to post this reel on our feed and it will not be shown anywhere on our account. We can just create a reel to post on our story. This is actually one of the ways I create 60-second stories for Instagram and everybody is always asking how I do that. So you can now create a reel. You can add your videos, your photos, whatever you wanted to post. You can also add music, you can add filters, you can add timers, you can record it, you can add the layouts and create a 60-second reel and then post it as your story. Do not post it as your post on Instagram. So this way we can actually go ahead and create stories for 60 seconds on Instagram. I hope this works for you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.